Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fill up uh, and apply Electronic Travel Authorization ETA to travel to Kenya. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant, nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Kenya eTA website. Here, if you want, the very first thing you can do is to check your eligibility. Okay, so what you have to do, put your nationality, whatever it is. For example, I put ETA, India. So for them ETA is required. Go back to home and ready to apply. You can click on apply now. You can check the status, or you can check of someone submitted application to validate ETA. Means if someone else has applied for you, you can check if your ETA is valid or not. Fine. Click on apply now. Start. So let's say going as a tourist. Now they have given the document checklist. What you need: valid passport, selfie, passport style photo, contact information, arrival departure itinerary, accommodation booking confirmation, credit debit card for payment. Based on the purpose of visit, you may letter appointment letter from doctor, hospital, conference invitation, employment contract. Okay. For business, for travels. Okay. On affairs. So just take a look at these things. Why you like what you exactly need. Okay, just know your circumstances. Once you're ready, click on next. Consent. Opt to enter giveaway and receive special offers. I don't want, so I just do this. First, select your country of residence. Do it as per your own case. Okay, click on continue. Individual, for yourself, or group application like family or friends or tourist group. So in this you can do up to 6 people. I select individual. Okay, so step number 1, upload your passport and go to next. So I'm going to do this and then I'm going to see you guys. The next is to upload your selfie or photo. Again, we'll follow the same thing. You can even use your webcam because I'm using it on laptop, and then go for next. So I'm going to do this and then I'm going to see you guys. Okay. Now put your phone number. You can change your country also if you have any IST code based on that. I'm putting sample number. Put your email address up. Sample guys. Email address. Put it nicely guys, because this is where all the communication will take place. Physical address. Put your address, your occupation. Emergency contact. I'll just put Peter Smith. Phone number not mandatory, so I'm leaving it. But yeah, why should do it? You should always provide. Oh, it's they are not even allowing without that. Trip information. Reason for travel. Select. Oh, sorry. Tourism. Oh, okay. Arrival. When are you arriving? Let's say arriving on 16th. Arriving by air. Which airline you are coming? Flight number. Arrival airport. Of course, if you have booked the flight, you have all these details. I'm just anyway putting sample. Departure. When you are leaving, let's say 30. Airline. Country, destination. Let's say going back to India. Community days that you'll stay. So 16 to 30. Okay. Hotel or address. Now, during the stay, let's say you're staying for for 1 week, you can stay at one address, second week else. So you need to provide all that details. I'll just say hotel and provide the address to save it. Okay. And then you can click on add another and add and more. So if financed by third party, no. What is your country of birth? What was your nationality at birth? Have you ever been committed any offense under any system law past 5? No. Denied entry to Kenya? No. What is your marital status? I said single. Kenya more than 3 times? I select no. Continue. Custom. Will you bring into Republic of Kenya currency monetary instrument of value greater than 10,000 USD or foreign equivalent? I said no. Or $10,000, sorry, of my equivalent. Okay. No. Required documents. Next is confirm and proceed and select type of eTA. So airline, booking, hotel booking, other documents. Of course, I'm not going to do that because next is to confirm and then select the type of eTA where they select you like single entry, multiple entry and all. Then you proceed and make the payment and from there it goes for process. So, but I'm not going to do that because it's a sample video, but you got an idea how to do it yourself. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Take care.